Hi. So, you didn't see the results. Okay, the sun is going crazy. Give me a sec. Yeah, right. You didn't get to see the results of the slime. We actually mixed it at the end, but I had to cut that out so I could post it. Sorry. Ooh, well, that's nice. So many. That sounded so nice. This is the slime. It's sort of sticky. It's melted a bit because it's been in the sun. I don't think anyone's gonna watch this, but it's worth a try. We should have just paused the slime video. By the way, if you're watching this, go watch that so you know this. Sorry. Why am I whispering? Go with that if you want to know what we do this. I wish I could bring my tablet to the park. I could have, but there was a lot of kids there. Hold on, look at that. I ruined it. Okay. Let's try and make a bubble. My mom told me so. It's flat enough. It's not perfect, but it's flat enough. It's quite stretchy. I'm doing it wrong, but let's make a slime swirl instead. Maybe next video? I don't know. Both playing with that left. I'm sorry, seriously. It's kind of hard to start. I don't like when people just go oh, right, now that's a slime swirl, and then squish it. It's not how it goes. And we have so let's just go back up because it's kind of thin up there. I don't know how you guys make a slime swirl, but this is kind of how a lot of people do it. So yeah. By the way, all you really need for slime is glue and washing up liquid. Not washing up liquid, clothes washing. I don't know what it is. Basically, you just need things that you clean your clothes with. What am I saying? But it has to be the liquid, can't be the powder. So, one more. Go there. And now, come here. Can you see it? No. There. It's nice, huh? I make a lot of slime swirls. Okay. Sorry, it's just being weird. Ready? I love doing it. This one's fun. It's a snake. Right, we basically have the same slime. Yeah. So that's how it turned out. So if you didn't, as I said, said at the beginning, she didn't see on the video where we made the slime. That went strangely well. We forgot it was recording. Well, she did, I did. By she, I mean Eva. Okay. Bye. I'll see you next time.